Good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning, and welcome back to our channel. And right now, it's 25 degrees at Clingmans Dome, and it is icy and very cold.
The wind is howling.
The roads are covered in ice.
We're getting on extra layers and gloves and hoods, and
we ice skated in.
Yeah, getting prepared.
We sure did. So anyway, welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like, give me thumbs up, and subscribe. So if you clicked on this link to find out about Hazel Creek, the waterfalls, boat shuttling, or what Ollie Cove is about, then you've come to the right place. So stick around to the end to see Ollie Cove and see all the waterfalls along this trail today. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we are trekking up to Clingmans Dome. Look at that sunrise behind me. Absolutely beautiful, so amazing. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful day. I'm confident in that. So, love Hazel Creek, love Hazel Creek Trail, and today I get to show you why I love Hazel Creek and Hazel Creek Trail. Just left Devil Springs Shelter just a few moments ago, and saw one of my buddies there, Sid, but we're still on the AT, and we're less than a mile away, less than a mile and a half away from Welch Ridge Trail.
I was there with you, babe. Bird on the streetlight, eyes sneaking. It's true, I don't understand. The dresser drawers were open wide. You asked me for my name. Seasons past, too cold and grass.
So we took a ride off of Welch Ridge Trail onto Hazel Creek Trail, which is what we're on now. And we're hoping that we get some really pretty color today. And we're also hoping that the creek crossings aren't going to be too bad today. So anyway, it's a beautiful fall day out here in Hazel Creek. So I'm here in Hazel Creek down below. Can't wait to get down there. Start crossing some creek crossings. Should be several of them today. Man, these colors up here are absolutely popping. We're on the lower part of Hazel now where we're at the road, and this is one of our creek crossings. We have, I think, 1 or 2 more to go before we don't have any more crossings. So we're going to go up here another crossing or 2 and change clothes and shoes and socks and eat some lunch.
Alright, so right here is where I finally reached 500 miles on my Smoky map. Yay! 302 left to go.
All right. All right, so you got to see what Hazel Creek Trail has to offer with these fantastic creek scenes and the crossings. Superb trail. You need to get out here and do it if you haven't done it. We've got about 4.5 miles to go to get to campsite 86, although we're taking a detour and going up Lakeshore and going down Ollie Cove and meeting our boat shuttle there. So, but it's a beautiful day out here, so do get out and check out Hazel Creek area of the Smokies. It is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so today's hike of Hazel Creek is concluding. We are just a tenth of a mile away from the lake here on Ollie's Cove. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the trail today and me showing you around this trail. It's one of my favorite trails here in the park. And let me know what you think about this video. Give me a thumbs up in the down below and leave me a comment and say hi. Appreciate it. And as always, remember to live free, hike often, and make every day great. After a day of hiking, what do? You have pizza.